Adding this robot means a lot of change. My machine shop can't afford that. The CNC was invented in the 1950s. They weren't widely accepted and implemented until the late 80s. That's 30 years. If you had to go back to analog lathes and mills and give up your CNC, could you do that? Competing with the rest of the world would be pretty difficult. We are all creatures of habit. People tend to park in the same parking spot in your lot, even though there's no assigned parking. No one likes change, not even a baby with a wet diaper. The truth is, the world has been changing. Competition has become global. As work reshores, your customer base will be looking for machine shops that meet the pricing, the tolerances, and deliver parts on time. To do that, you'll need a robot. It's no longer a luxury, it's now a necessity. The ability to embrace change is no longer a luxury. If you want to compete, embracing change is a necessity. To explore how our purpose-built CNC machine tending robot can help your machine shop gain control over production and cost, call us at 866-952-9020 and press 1 to start the conversation. RoboJob USA, first in CNC automation.